Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you the fastest way you can make money online. Everything that you need is just an internet, phone, a laptop, and probably £100. Without further ado, I'm going to jump on the computer and show you how. All I need from you is to like the video and hit the red subscribe button. Now the first thing I want you to do is to close your eyes and think of any business around you. Any business that is offering services. Close your eyes, think of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, now you must have come out with your own business. For me, I'm gonna go with barbing salon. I don't know the business that came to your mind, but let's jump to the next step. Now, why did I say you should go for a business that is offering services? Because these guys make a ton of money and they don't have a website. So now the next thing you're gonna do is to come over to this website and you search your business idea. I went for barbing salon. Barbing salon. You put the postcode of your location. And you search. Now there are lots of small businesses that are listed on this site. A lot of them are gonna pop up. Right, so when this open, you're gonna see a whole lot of local businesses, some of them with a website and some without a website. Look at this, there are so many of them. There are so many of them. I'm gonna tell you what to do for those with a website and those without a website. You can see their numbers. If you click, you see the numbers of this business. Another way you can get this information is to go to Google and type barbing salon near me. So when this open, you can also get this. You can also get all this information right here. You can see this. You can see all their numbers. From here, you can see the one that have a website and the ones that don't have a website. So these are how you're gonna get all this information. And after that, moving on to the next point, is for you to open your Microsoft Word. So when you open your Microsoft Word, you're gonna say businesses without a website will be one line and businesses with a website will be on one line. So the next step is for you to pick all their numbers. Pick all their numbers, guys. So guys, you're gonna arrange all their numbers like this. From there, what you need to do is to go to ChatGPT. I'm gonna tell you what you ask ChatGPT to do for you. So businesses without a website, what they need is a website. That's what you're gonna do for them. And businesses with a website, what you can do for them is to give them a mobile friendly site. That is number one. Search engine optimization. And the last one is digital marketing. Depending on the business that they are into, you can help market their business for them. Oh, Paray, I don't know how to design a website. I don't know how to do search engine optimization. Don't worry, I'm gonna tell you what to do. You're gonna ask ChatGPT one question. All right, so this is what I'm asking ChatGPT. I'm a web designer. Draft an SMS to send to local businesses that don't have a website. Boom. So ChatGPT comes up with this long list, but we don't want it to be very long because it's an SMS. Bro, please make it an SMS. All right, let's look at this. Hey, business name, you put your name. Notice you don't have a website. Yes, as a local web designer, I can help you create an impressive online presence. Website boosts visibility and attract customers. Let's chat, call me. You put your phone number there and your name. The moment you get that, you go back. You copy all these numbers that you've stored on your Microsoft Word. If you can do a bulk SMS, you send it across to them. If you cannot, then you just send it one by one. You're gonna do the same thing for businesses with a website. Ask ChatGPT to do the same thing. If you wanna do search engine optimization or digital marketing, ChatGPT will give you a very lovely text to send to these people. This is not something that you send to 5 businesses and you start finding yourself that, oh, you've done this, you've done that. No, you send it to a lot of businesses. Do you understand me? Now, when you have a potential client, you move over to Fiverr.com. If you're a web designer, you can just go ahead and you start building the website. This thing doesn't take anything. If you are not a web designer, you run over to Fiverr.com or Upwork. These guys will do the work for you. And when you come over to Fiverr, you can see all these guys that are building lovely websites for £67. Look at this one, £67, £79, £79. You'll see a lot of them. This is just £67. I will develop a professional and responsive GoDaddy website for you. So the moment you have someone that can do your work over here, you just go back to the local business and you can charge these guys £150, £200, and they will pay you. You now outsource the work to these guys and they will do it for you. So guys, that's just the best way to make money online. If you find the video helpful, send it to someone, share it with someone, like the video, hit the red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.